The reason for the evolution of settlement in Athens is due to the rivers. In ancient days, there were three rivers named River Kiphisos, River Ilissos, River Eridanos. During the time of industrialization, the ancient rivers were buried and not seen these days. In this, the river Ilissos was located in the central Athens. It had passed through the places Acropolis, Kallithea, and a few other neighborhood areas earlier. In the 19th century, due to the urbanization, the rivers were buried totally and several other activities were being carried out right there. At the time of construction of tram, it was found that there was a flowing river in that place. Our study mainly focuses on revoking the river in the same area in Athens and make the scenario cool so as the native users and the tourists can be benefited and enjoy the amenities too. The proposal given by us anciently for trading, the main transportation used in Athens was boats. So, we are proposing to bring back the boat stations, that is the ferry guards. Having in view the kids, native people, and the visitors, we propose to install in it an entertainment zone where they can dine, play, shop, relax, and have the classic view of the landscape and waterscape elements present over there and capture memorable moments too. While connecting to roads from the rivers, as we know, in ancient times in Greece, the people used horse riding as a mode of transport. To retain and bring back its rich culture, we propose depicting horse riding, which would give a different experience and feeling. Next, in Acropolis, which is located in the central part of Athens, Greece, it is the highest point. Acro means highest point and polis means city. They have used classical style of constructions by using Doric columns, triangular pediments, frieze, corners, capitals as architectural elements, and it is like a rock cut construction. It was a marketplace earlier. It gets connected to the square. Now, landing on to the commercial triangle of Athens, Greece, which is positioned on the map by the three squares Syntagma, Monastirke, and Ommania, as it forms a triangle. The Monastirke square is one of the most central areas of Athens, Greece today. Down the line, proceeding through the roads, it connects to Ommania Square. It showcases the uniquely designed solar streetlights, which is further attractive. Reaching the Ommania Square, which was in early days properly used, but now the usage is minimal. So we have a proposal of overcoming these barriers. We plan to construct semi-shaded seatings, creating green spaces and remaking the fountain that existed before. Moving through the streets named Panipistimo, which is the oldest street at the foothills of Acropolis. It's located between Ommania Square and Syntagma Square and covers a distance of 1.5 km approximately. Till the 18th century, they used only neoclassical style of buildings. But in the 19th century, it got customized with the contemporary style of architecture and has commercial centers like banks, hotels, etc. To reduce the pollution because of transport, we propose to introduce a separate lane for bicycle. With the 6 existing lanes, our proposal will be to make use of tram by exclusively using 2 lanes for it and reduce the pollution from ply of buses and other mode of transport. This street connects to Syntagma Square, which is the largest square. It evolved in the early 19th century. The people also make use of it very properly. It was designed as one of the 2 central squares of modern Athens. There is a fountain at its center and people visit there to use free internet. The square is being renovated recently with white marble and new lamp posts. We propose to modernize the existing amenities. We start here from the Greek Parliament, that is Syntagma Square. The Greek Parliament is very ancient. This road is connecting Syntagma Square to Dargouthi and it is 1.2 km long. We are going to cover 6 monuments here and cover 4 more in hills. The first being the Parliament Hall and the next one is National Garden, which is located behind the parliament and it is accessible. The third one being Zapio Mall, which is also easily accessible, and it is 0.3 kilometer long from National Garden. The fourth one being the Olympian Zeus, and it is built in 561 BC and it is considered as the trade road and also very ancient. The next one being the secondary road, which is built in 2009 and it has Acropolis Museum and it is also an archaeological museum. Next we have the Contemporary Museum, which is the final destination and it is built in the year 2000. The final next destination is Dargauti. In the entrance there is Armenium Square. It leads to Event Square, which was an abandoned space earlier. We have added plants to make it green and noise barriers too. We have converted the empty ground to a sports court, which enables to play badminton and other games. In the left there is North Gate and we have given underground pathway to connect to the university instead of using pedestrian way. The next it gets connected to the Eco Park, where we have proposed and converted into a space with mini fountains, greenery, rocks, etc. We foresee the Athens to step into a sustainable one by 2040. The next lead to south entrance and it gets connected to a public space like urban agriculture, provided green roof, market area to support the economy of the people, and also provided a great gateway to the people to make cultivation possible, which makes them to be a sustainable community. Basic amenities are provided with seatings to conduct festivals and as a meeting point for students, tourists and others. We have also provided bridges to connect the buildings with the forecast of bringing up and changing Athens to a sustainable society with proper amenities by the end of 2040. The neighborhood we have proposed with greeneries connecting the water bodies and have connected another neighborhood from Dargauti with a corridor, and this is called a pedestal network. Finally, we meet here in the fire ring, which is a waterfall, and also an event square with passive cooling effect. We are focused in converting Dargauti neighborhood to be a greener space. The Heritage Walk remains so popular in Athens, Greece. According to our proposal, we tried with making it modern from ancient. We enter with rivers, proceed with Acropolis, streets, squares and explore the new neighborhood of Dargauti.